What's up? This is Big Game James Fishing. Yes, I did buy another wheel from Taco Warehouse. It's on boxes. This is gonna be unedited, so if I mess up the video, I'll mess up. But let's do this here. Show you that got Tiger Warehouse t-shirt because I got it for free. Let's open this. Oh dang, dude, look at this. Oh yeah, I got a t-shirt. It's white. Yep. So last week I got the Maintanium DC, but this time I got the Maintanium MGL. This is weird. It's not DC, but it does catch a little bit farther than the DC. Open this. This is like 6.4.1. I got the slow one. I'm gonna use for crankbait or Texas weightless or something. You know, they're all going to go with the extraction and oil and stuff, whatever this is. Let's open this, bruh. Like, I'm excited. I can open this. It's, I'm gonna say it's very, very light. It's only 6.2. I wish they give the spec in the box like other wheel does, but they don't. But this is the slow one, 6.4. I know it has 11 pound drag. Let's see what this spec is, you know? Because I kind of forgot. But anyway, it doesn't matter. This is very good. It's pretty smooth. I'm pretty sure it has 10 bearing plus 1. I just kind of forgot my end. Very light, dude. Like, if you ever hold it, it's very light. This is lighter than DC because the DC had a chin so a little bit. I mean, that DC Maintanium is pretty light too, you know. For DC, like if you have a car DC, it's a little bit heavier, but it's not that much heavier. But I mean, it's a little bit heavier. You could tell the difference. So I have a car with DC, now Maintanium DC. You have this. This is very, very light. That's why they cast so far. Probably this was. It's pretty cool, dude. Like. Yes, it cuts a lot, you know, but it's my dream. It's finally to get a Shimano Maintanium, you know. It's always been my dream since last year. Finally got it. I mean, is it worth the money? Yes, if you have the money, but don't buy it if, you know, you have to pay bills. It's not really worth it. You could get like a budget fishing wheel, like Arbicusia, Lew's. They're all good wheel, dude. Like, they all catch fish. It doesn't matter. But if you have money that it doesn't hurt your bill or doesn't hurt your, you know, what finances, you know, just buy it. It's gonna be worth it. But if you don't have the budget for it, I mean, you probably do have enough money, but it's gonna, kill your finances, like pay bills. It's not worth it. That's all I'm gonna say. But when I bought this, it didn't hurt my finances. I still have money, a lot more, and I can make more money. So, anyways, that's all. This is our unboxing. So stay tuned for a future video. I probably my next video is gonna be just testing this out. But anyways, I'm just gonna go. Peace.